Hello friends, in this video I am going to share 8-point checklist for the salaried employee in order to plan the taxes, in order to save taxes, and in order to save amount on the late payment of tax, right? So let us begin. So the first point is bank statement. You need to download all your bank statements and you need to list down all your incomes, the salary, house property, and all other source of income. And then you need to list out all the major transaction, and you should keep this thing ready in case if you have done some major transaction like sale of property or major ESOPs transaction which you have encashed during the year. Then you need to consult with your CA before 31st of March for planning your taxes. The next part is TDS. In your income tax login, one statement which is known as 26A statement which is available in your income tax login, वो आपको download करके you need to compare that with your source of income. मतलब अगर आप मान लो सैलरी इनकम है तो सैलरी इनकम पे अप्रैल से दिसंबर में जितना भी TDS गया, जितना भी TDS डिडक्ट हो गया, that should match with your 26A statement. In case if you are finding any discrepancy, then you need to intimate it to your employer. मतलब अगर मान लो आपके सैलरी के हिसाब से 1 लाख रुपया TDS डिडक्ट होके गया है, बट इफ in case only 80,000 is getting reflected on 26AS up to 31st of December, then you need to contact your employer and intimate the difference. That is the second point. The next third point is you need to list down all the other incomes other than salary, because on salary part your employer or your company is deducting the TDS on month basis, and on the other part there could be a possibility कि आप उस पर कोई TDS नहीं जाता रहेगा या कोई टैक्स या एडवांस टैक्स आपने नहीं भरा रहेगा. सो दिस कुड बी द लिस्ट. दैट इज वन इज हाउस रेंट. अगर आप जो घर में रह रहे हैं उसके अलावा अगर कोई घर है या कोई कमर्शियल प्रॉपर्टी है जो आपने रेंट पे चढ़ा के रखा है और उसमें से अगर आपको कुछ रेंट आ रहा है तो देन यू नीड टू कंसिडर दैट इनकम. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज शेयर्स या म्यूचुअल फंड से अगर कुछ कैपिटल गेन है या बैंक एफडी या रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट से कुछ इंटरेस्ट है, डिविडेंड है, तो यू नीड टू असेस ऑल योर इनकम्स, राइट. सो दिस इज थर्ड स्टेप इन द चेकलिस्ट पार्ट. देन इन केस अगर आपका अदर इनकम बहुत ज़्यादा है एंड उसके जो ऊपर बनने वाला टैक्स है, इफ इट इज मोर देन 10,000, देन यू शुड कंसिडर पेइंग एडवांस टैक्स बिफोर द 15th of March, right? So that will save you on the aspect of interest on the delayed payment of taxes, right? And अगर आपका tax liability बहुत ज़्यादा है तो interest component भी बहुत ज़्यादा रहेगा. So you should consider it. You should consult with your CA in case if you are having more income along other than your salary, and you should pay advance tax before 15th of March. The next one is deduction. This is the month wherein employees are getting surprises in terms of more TDS, and most of the people they come to us कि भाई मेरा बहुत TDS deduct हो गया, मैं क्या करूँ, right? So you need to consider on this deduction part. That is, first one is ATC up to 1.5 lakh. It is available, and the instrument like insurance policies or ELSS mutual fund or housing loan repayment, tuition fees, provident fund, that all will come under ATC investment. So you need to consider whether you have complied with you have fully utilized this 1.5 lakh or not. The next one is Mediclaim insurance premium. So up to 25,000 it is allowed for self, spouse and children. And in case if you are paying it for your parents and your parents are not the senior citizen, if they are below 60, then you will be able to claim up to 25,000. If your parents are above 60 and above, then you will be able to claim 50,000. And there is one more provision of claiming the medical expenditure for parents, those who are a senior citizen, up to 50,000. It means अगर आप मेडिक्लेम इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम भर रहे हो तो भी चलेगा, या तो मेडिकल एक्सपेंडिचर अगर आपने आपके पेरेंट्स के लिए किया हुआ है तो भी आपको बेनिफिट मिल जाएगा. सो दिस इज समथिंग ऑन मेडिक्लेम. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज NPS. in case if you are investing in NPS, then you should invest before 31st of March. Up to 50,000 is the deduction amount. देन अगर आप रेगुलर डोनर हो, डोनेशन देते हो, तो यू नीड टू give it before 31st of March so that you can claim the deduction in this financial year. And for that matter, you need to collect the donation receipts and the donation certificate from your donor. And then next one is education loan. अगर आपने कोई ऐसे एजुकेशन लोन लिया हुआ है, देन इंटरेस्ट ऑन दैट एजुकेशन लोन इज अलाउड अंडर सेक्शन 80E. तो you need to consider this also for your tax planning purpose. Then next one is housing loan interest. इसमें बहुत बार ऐसे हो जाता है कि it is available up to 2 lakh, बट बहुत बार लोगों का या तो हाउसिंग लोन खत्म हुआ रहता है या इंटरेस्ट 2 लाख से कम रहता है, एंड स्टिल दे डिक्लेयर 2 लाख रुपीज विद द एम्प्लॉयर, एंड जब भी टैक्स फाइलिंग का टाइम आता है तो पता चल जाता है कि यार अपना इंटरेस्ट तो कम है. या ऐसे भी हो सकता है कि you need to check who is claiming the interest, you or your spouse. That you need to decide on this aspect, and you need to submit the documents or proof to your employer before the due date, so that they will deduct the appropriate TDS in the month of February and March. Then next one is AIS-TIS statement. Again, this annual information statement or tax information statement, this is something new which has started from last year, and this is easily available on the income tax portal. आपके income tax login में ही available है, and all the major transaction like sale and purchase of property, then foreign tour payments, then fixed deposit, share purchase and sale of mutual fund, purchase and sale of shares, and transaction in F&O category, all are reflecting in this. So अगर अप टू 31 दिसंबर तक आपके AIS-TIS का क्या स्टेटमेंट है, क्या पोजीशन है, वो आपको डाउनलोड करके देख लेना चाहिए. इन केस इफ देर इज एनी एबनॉर्मल ट्रांजैक्शन, जैसे मान लो आपने कोई घर बेचा ही नहीं या कोई घर लिया ही नहीं, बट स्टिल सम house is getting reflected in your AIS-TIS, then you should quickly take action on that, and you need to reply it to the income tax department by approaching your consultant, right? The next one is, in case if you have done any sale of property transaction or major capital gain, या आपने कोई ESOPs कंपनी से एनकैश किया रहेगा, then you need to have a appointment with your consultant in order to plan your taxes. And then the last point is, in case if you are an employee who is getting retired on or before 31st of March, then you need to plan for your retirement corpus. अगर मान लो आप mid of the year में retire हो रहे हो या on 31st March retire हो रहे हो, तो then you will have more of a retirement corpus along with your salary, and then you should consider calculating your total income before 31st of March, and you should pay advance tax well before 31st of March. I hope this checklist is useful to you, and use this checklist in order to plan your taxes and to avoid the delayed payment of interest. In case if you like this video, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I have now decided to educate people on the aspect of financial freedom, wealth creation, tax planning, and tax saving, and this is something I am doing out of my own passion. So stay tuned and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and in case if you like this video, then please share it with the others, those who are working in industry, so that they can also save some amount of tax or interest by implementing or using this checklist. Thank you so much.